For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
A few days ago, US President Donald Trump admitted that he was taking hydroxychloroquine to ward off coronavirus.
I'm taking it, hydroxychloroquine.
When?
Right now, yeah.
Yeah, when?
A couple of weeks ago, I started taking it. Because I think it's good. I've heard a lot of good stories. And if it's not good, I'll tell you right, I'm not going to get hurt by it. It's been around for 40 years for malaria, for lupus.
Now he says he's finished taking the drug.
I finished, just finished. And by the way, I am still here. To the best of my knowledge, here I am.
Even after Trump's medical advisors warned him of its risks, he continued to take the drug. Apparently, Trump has completed a 2-week course of hydroxychloroquine. On several occasions, Donald Trump has promoted hydroxychloroquine in treating COVID-19. He advocated hydroxychloroquine as the potential cure for coronavirus.
I just spoke to him, president of Honduras, and he said, and I guess we made some available to them or whatever. He was thanking me, and I said, how has the result been? He said, it's been incredible. Now, I don't know, he's not a doctor, I don't think, but he thanked me, and he said the results have been very good.
There is no evidence that the drug has been effective in treating or preventing COVID-19. The Food and Drug Administration had warned against the usage of hydroxychloroquine in the treatment of COVID-19. The FDA had said that the drug must not be used outside of hospitals and it should be used only for clinical trials. But Donald Trump continued to take the drugs. Well, it is not just the FDA which has cautioned against the usage of hydroxychloroquine, but the World Health Organization too had warned about it. The World Health Organization Executive Director Michael Ryan said the drug should be reserved for clinical trials and not for the treatment of COVID-19. The US Food and Drug Administration had conducted a study on 368 COVID-19 patients and found out that there was 28% mortality rate among the patients who were treated with the drug. But Trump rubbishes the research findings and slammed all those researchers whose findings contradicted his views.